So we moved the front bumpers to the backyard. That's the old one. Here's the new one, freshly painted. Paint should be all dry. So we got everything. That's the gloss black grills. Got the depot fog lights. So yeah, it's a little dusty, but about to just swap everything over from this old bumper to this newer one. And the main difference is obviously this one's a lot lower and sportier, but these reflectors, they ain't there. So that's gonna be looking a little cleaner. So let's get started. So the front bumper is back in the garage. It's all assembled. Mainly all we gotta do is get the air ducts trimmed right now, and we'll show it to you in the video what we're doing. We're just gonna try to cut it off with a razor and kind of dust off the dust that we see before we slap the bumper on. So let's get to it. You already know, back onto the rear end. So yesterday pretty much took us about like 5 hours, got the front bumper assembled. We took our time and swapped all the parts that needed to be swapped. It is aftermarket, so I had to do some little bit like fabrication, but nothing crazy. So front bumper is all nice, secured the best it could be, all the gaps. So now onto the rear. So shout out to ECS Tuning. Been ordering parts off them. They do a pretty good job, but gotta say though, you guys gotta work on your shipping. Do it a little quicker. Sometimes when you're waiting for parts, you just want it shipped out faster. So that's all I gotta say, but hey, they do a good job. So pretty much let's get started on this rear end. Have some fun. So here's that new rear bumper, painted and ready to go. All we gotta do is pop in this rear diffuser, remove this tape that was there for paint because it's supposed to be matte black underneath. Old bumpers right there, there's nothing we gotta swap. unlike the front end bumper, other than the screws with the washers. So that's all we need for this bumpers. Here it is, the right side, just got it installed. Gotta admit, car looks a lot thicker now. Bam. Side skirts are still dirty, but we'll get it cleaned up here shortly. So we didn't do the left side, just do a little comparison. You don't see no indent right there. I mean, it still looks nice when you do the front and rear bumpers like this, even with the stock side skirts. But if you add these M3 side skirts, like I said, it looks a lot thicker and nicer. So we're not going to record the left side, we're just going to install it and just show you the finished product. For those that play GTA or play GTA, you probably know a scene where you get a car, you drive into Los Santos Customs, you drive into the garage, and it transforms and it comes out a whole different car. So we're going to try to recreate that scene. I always wanted to do it, so let's see how we do it.